I'm Jerry from The Happy Start. When new sellers start on Amazon, they often solely focus on selling units. But if you want longevity, you shouldn't just build a business, you should be building a brand. That's where Amazon's Brand Registry program comes in. Brand Registry is a free program designed to help you protect your intellectual property and control your listing accuracy. To enroll, you just need an active or pending trademark. Once you're in, you unlock powerful tools like A+ content for better descriptions, your own brand storefront, and advanced protection features to stop counterfeiters. For us at The Happy Start, this was a day one priority. In the baby industry, trust is everything. Big brand names spend decades building it, and we aimed for a similar standard. So before we ever sold a single unit, we filed for 2 trademarks, which eventually grew to over 10 trademarks awarded to us by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Amazon's Brand Registry helps us protect that vital intellectual property so we can focus on scaling instead of fighting off copycats. That actually happened to us when we found unauthorized sellers selling our products in Mexico. We used Brand Registry to shut them down immediately, and Amazon continues to monitor and protect us so we can focus on scaling our business. Here's my biggest piece of advice. Brand Registry is completely free, but you have to have the budget for filing your trademark. Nonetheless, this program gives you the tools to look like a major player from the very start. If you're serious about building a real brand, file your trademark and get registered with Amazon's Brand Registry.